Once that we have run our OpenFace snippet, and we should find in our chosen folder a list of CSV and text files. The first thing we should do is to delete all the text files. There should be like as many as the CSV, just I deleted the other ones already. One easy way to do is selecting by type, like sorting by type, and then just deleting the text file. Now we have a folder with CSV, and we can actually import in the CSV. It's very, very simple. So we basically just need to load the files just in the same way we would do for like a read CSV function. Just instead of using the specific CSV, we only include the name of the folder where the CSVs are stored. So in this case, it's in the folder faces. I advise it's always to have it in the same directory where you have your R projects. So you select your folder face and you run the folder. Of course, before doing that, you actually need to load the tidyverse as well. Otherwise, the function will give you an error. It's also useful for other functions that we will look at later. So let's do it again. And we can see that actually we have a file is like loading. It will take a little bit of time, but I already did it before, so we can see that we have like this my faces that is a large list with 6 elements, and each element is basically one of our files. Next, we will see how to filter the datasets, how to create features and select features.